How to make paper or plane. First thing is to do is this.
Pupost mo yan?
Oo.
SK chairman.
If you do this, you are but already.
Video
If you want to upgrade like this.
Uy, hindi ka nakita. Pakita mo paano ginawa niya yun. SK chairman, post mo yun sa amin. Shoutout mo kami.
Hanapin niyo si OG.
Shoutout mo si
And
ano.
then, if you do this, do it again. If you want to. If you want a simple trick, hit the subscribe button.
Follow button. Saan ba yung popost?
TikTok.
TikTok, YouTube,
YouTube
Facebook
nga,
din.
YouTube. Oh, sige. Hit the follow button.
Yes!
Let's go!
Button mo sa SK chairman. Libre pa not. Ayun nga, libre pa pa not.
And do this if you want to. If you want to make it long and hard. And if you do this, a lot of times you now do this.
Oh, I know now! I can do it!
If you do this, then do this again.
Ang gulo mo naman.
If you did that already, do it again on the other side.
Do this, do this, do this, do this. Okay, do this. Chairman. Wow, sobrang tin. Sige, test natin sa labas.
Now, testing.
Dito, dun sa labas. Hindi
Diyan si
pagkay. Hey! Ulit. Leo, kuhain mo na nga ako.
Hit the follow button for part 2.